Hello and Assalamualaikum everyone. How is everyone doing? As you can see today, I'm wearing a yellow kurta with green, blue, and a bit of white flowers on it. So I want to create a look related to this. I have two palettes here with me, which have green and gold in it. So let's begin the video. I've already applied concealer on my eyelids. Now I'm just going to set it with the pressed powder. I'm going to start with this orange shade here. Using this brownish shade for my crease area now. Now I'm using this palette, and as I told you, I want to be a bit extra today. So I am going to start off by using this goldenish yellow metallic color here. Now from this same palette, I am using this metallic green shade for the outer corner of my eyes. I'm using the darkest brown here for the outer corner of my eyes. Now from the same palette, I'm using the black shade for the eyeliner. Done with the eye look. Now let's start by priming our face and color correcting. Now I'm going to apply foundation all over my face and my neck. Using a concealer for the color corrected areas. Now setting the concealer and the foundation with the pressed powder. Now I'm going to apply blush to my face. I'm using this orangey color today as my blush. Now using the brown shade from this palette to contour my jawline. I'm going to tightline my waterline by using this kajal, black using pencil. A gold pencil for my lower waterline. Highlighting the inner corner of my eyes using this color here. Using this beautiful warm nude orangey brownish color for my lips. This is my finished look. What do you think? If you like my look, do give this video a thumbs up. If you like my videos and want to watch more content like this, do subscribe to my channel. As for now, take care of yourself and I'll be seeing you in my next video.